Hello students of class 9. So today I am going to discuss the next topic of this chapter, lines and angles. So see, I have drawn two lines M and N, and another line L is intersecting the line M and N at two different points. Okay, this is the line L which intersecting line M and N at two different points. So you know that if two lines intersects, then there will be the formation of angles. So there will be different angles formed, and what are the name of angles, you have to remember it. So see how many types of angle are forming here. First is corresponding angles, second is alternate angles, and third is interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so here what is transversal? This L line is called transversal. Okay, why it is called transversal? Because it intersects the lines at different points. That's why it is called as a transversal line. Okay, so here see what are corresponding angles. So the corresponding pair of angles are, you can see 8 and 4 are corresponding angles. Okay, first one, these are the pair of angles and these are called corresponding angles. So why it is called corresponding? See, this is on the same side of the transversal. See, 8 and 4 are on the same side of the transversal, and both the angles are above the lines. So above M, this is 8, angle 8, and above line N, this is angle 4. Okay. Similarly, 1 and 5, they are also on the same side of the transversal, and also they are below the line M and N. Okay, so these are corresponding pair of angle. Similarly, on this side also we have two more pair of angles. First one will be angle 7 and angle 3, and next one will be angle 2 and angle 6. Next is alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. So interior means inside, okay, or an exterior means outside, you know that. So here interior angle will be this one, okay, which is inside this part, means inside the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all called interior, and outside angles will be angle 7, 8 and 5 and 6. Okay, so what are alternate? When we say alternate interior angles, then we have to see the two sides of the transversal line. So this is the transversal line, this is one side and this is the other side. So alternate interior angle, in the first one I have written what? 1 and 3. See, one angle is in this part and another angle is in the other part, okay, other side. So 1 and 3 are alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 2 and 4 will be alternate interior angles. Similarly, in case of exterior, we can write angle 7 and angle 5, and next will be what? Angle 8 and angle 6. Okay, so these are alternate interior and exterior angles. Next come to interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So this is the transversal. On the same side of it, there are two pair of angles. One will be what? Angle 1 and 4, and next will be what? Angle 2 and 3. So these angles are called interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So here in this particular case, I have taken two lines M and N which are not parallel to each other. Okay, so if they are not parallel also, but there will be what? Formation of angles. Here also there are many angles which are forming. Total 8 number of angles are present here. Now what happen in parallel lines? If the two lines are parallel, suppose M and N are parallel line, means M is parallel to N, and a transversal is intersecting the line at two different points, then what happen? These angles will be formed, and these pair of angles which I have written in this part, they all will be what? Equal. Okay, already you have studied in your previous classes that corresponding angles, about alternate angles and interior and exterior. Okay, so these pair of angles will be what? Equal. Okay, when two lines are parallel. So next part we will going to discuss that only. So next is parallel lines and transversal. So see here, L is parallel to M. So here we can write like this: L parallel to M. And T is what? T is a transversal line. Okay, so L is parallel to M and T is a transversal line. So total 8 angles will be formed, and I have marked all the angles. So by the axiom 6.3, okay, in 6.3 axiom you can see here it is written that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, this is the transversal and it is intersecting two parallel lines, then the corresponding angles which are forming here will be what? Equal. So here the corresponding angles will be what? 1 and 5. So both of them will be equal, both the angles will be equal. Similarly 4 will be equal to 8. Okay. Next 2 will be equal to 6 and 3 is equal to 7. Okay. So corresponding angles means the angles will be on the same side, and if you are writing one angle above the line, the next angle will be also above the second line. Okay, second line means this is the second line that is parallel to the line L. Okay, so above this line, if we can say, if we are saying that above the line, so above the line here it is 5 and above the line here it is 1. Okay, this is on the same side. Similarly on this side you have to check, and if you are seeing below the line, then you have to take the angle below the line. Okay, so these are the corresponding angles which are same. Similarly in axiom 6.4, what is written? See, if a transversal intersect two lines such that pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That means exactly converse of axiom 6.3. In 6.3 it is written that if two lines parallel, then the corresponding angle will be equal, and in 6.4 axiom it is written that if corresponding angles will be if corresponding angles are equal, then we can say automatically the lines will be what? Parallel. Okay, which is exactly the converse of axiom 6.3. So next come to the theorem. Theorem number 2, already we have discussed theorem number 1 in previous lecture. So now theorem number 2 is what? If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, so this is the transversal and it is intersecting two parallel lines L and M, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So alternate interior angles. So what is alternate interior angle? See, 3 will be alternate to what? 5. Similarly 4 will be alternate to what? 6. So 3 is equal to 5 and 4 is equal to 6. This will be equal. And how we can say, how we can prove both the angles are equal? So I am showing you, see here, I am showing only one. See, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. According to this theorem it is equal. But how we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 5? So first of all, see here already we have this one, that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Okay. So this is what corresponding angles are equal. So next is what? See, 1 and 3 both are what? Vertically opposite angles. Already we have discussed that vertically opposite angles are equal. So here angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So in corresponding angle we got what? Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Okay, and also from vertically opposite angle, angle 1 is equal to 3. Then we can say angle 1, angle 3 and angle 5 all are what? Equal. So by that way we can write angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Okay. Similarly, how angle 4 will be equal to angle 6? Because angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles are equal. So 2 is equal to 6 and 2 is also equal to 4 because they are what? Vertically opposite angle. By that way angle 4 will be what? Angle that will be equal to angle 6. Okay. So from this theorem we got what? Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. So these are what? Alternate interior angles. So next theorem is 6.3. 6.3 is the converse of this theorem, theorem number 2. Okay, you can see it. If the alternate interior angles are equal, then automatically lines will be what? Parallel. Next is theorem number 6.4. So the next theorem, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. The meaning of supplementary is 180 degree. So if two lines are parallel and transversal is there, then the interior angle on the same side of the transversal, the sum of the two angle will be 180 degree. So according to this, what we will get, see, interior angle on the same side will be angle 4 and angle 5. So first will be angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Next will be what? Angle 3 plus angle 6. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. So how we can do the proof of this theorem? See, already we know that angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to 180 degree because these two angles form what? Linear pair of angles. Okay. So angle 3 we can write angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. But see, angle 3 is also equal to what? Angle 5, as they are what? They are equal according to this theorem. Okay. That means they are forming what? Alternate interior angles. So angle 3 is also equal to angle 5. So in place of angle 3, what we can write? We can write angle 5. So by that way, angle 5 plus angle 4 will be what? 180 degrees. So this is the first proof. Okay. Similarly, how angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree? The same proof you can do. See here, angle 5 plus angle 6 will be equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair, and angle 5 is also equal to angle 3. Again, we can write in place of angle 5 as angle 3. So by that way, angle 3 plus angle 6 will be 180 degree. Okay. So we can do proof. Proof is very easy. Okay. But you have to understand every theorem, every axiom. Okay. So try to remember and memorize it. Okay. These are very, very important. You have to remember it for solving the questions. Okay. So next theorem is the converse of this theorem, that is theorem 6.5. What will be the converse? See, if this is given, okay, if the sum of angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then we can say the lines are parallel. Okay, if this is given, then the line will be automatically what? Parallel. Okay. So next come to theorem 6.6. Here in theorem 6.6, it is written that if two lines are parallel to a third line, okay, if two lines are parallel to a third line, then we can say all the three lines are parallel. Or we can say if two lines are parallel to many lines, okay, many lines, then all lines will be what? Parallel. Okay.